Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the transition in MS PowerPoint. A slide transition is a visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next slide during the presentation. You can control the speed, add the sound and customize the look of transition effect. So how to add the transition in your PowerPoint presentation? So I have 4 slides with me which consist of different images or text also you can add over here. Right now I have only the images and I want to add a transition to slide. So how to do that? So there is a transition tab available here. Now here you can see the transition to this slide. Now if I'm selecting the first slide and I'm using the any of this, then this transition is applied to only this slide. Now if you click over here, you can see here multiple options available, that is a subtle, exciting and the dynamic content. Now if you are using the subtle, then the slide transition will occur. If you are using the exciting one, it is a strong transition, and the third one is the dynamic content. Strong transition that affects only the content such as text or the images. Now whichever transition you will select for each slide, it will get applied to that slide. Now if I am going to select the transition for my first slide as a like split one like this, for the second one I will apply the different one, the checkboard like this. For the third one I will apply the different one, the honeycomb. For the fourth one I will apply something different like this. So I have applied the transition to each and every slide. I have one more. I will use the doors one. So in this way I have applied a transition to each and every slide. Now here you can see I can see the preview of each slide. I click on the preview, it will give me a preview of each slide. Now if you want to see the transition of each slide in the flow, then you have to go inside a slideshow and from beginning. Now here you can see the transition, whichever transition we have applied to our slides, they are appearing as per our selection. Now if you want to click on this, that means if you want to, whichever effect or the transition you have applied to your slide, there is an option available. If you want a vertical out, horizontal in. Now for this, if you see, the preview is like this, that means a vertical. If you want a horizontal one, you can do that. If you want a horizontal out, you can also do that. Vertical in, you can also do that. So whichever transition you apply, you can give the effect from left to right checkboard. Now from left to right checkboards are going. If you want from top, you can do that also. So you can apply whichever effects you want after applying the transition to the slide. Next one is the arrow. Now here you can see you have a multiple options like this. So whichever sound you want, just move your cursor over there and it will give you the preview of that sound. So select whichever sound you want, just like typewriter, push, suction, laser, wind. Just click over here and you can select the sound for it. Now if you want to apply the wind sound to all, then you have to just click on the apply to all. Now when you are going to see the preview, it is going to play the transition and the sound simultaneously. Now if I start the presentation like this, now for each slide it will show the different transition with the same sound. You can also apply the different sound to your slide. but I have used only one sound for all my slide, so that's why they are showing me the same sound with a different transition. Now next one is the duration. How much duration you want to keep for the transition, that is up to you. You can change just by clicking over here. Now the next one is the advance the slide. Now as you can see, when I am going to click on the slideshow, click on the from the beginning till I press the key from my mouse, my slides are not changing. Now if you want to change your slides automatically with some time, then there is an option available. You have to uncheck the on mouse click on that and just increase this like this. If you want to change the 5 seconds, now here you can see I'm not going to use the mouse for changing the slide. It will automatically change after the given time duration. We don't need to do anything. It is going to change as per our instruction, that means as per 5 seconds or something like that. After 5 seconds it will change automatically. So if you are going to apply it for the only one, then it is going to apply to the single slide. Now when you are going to use the transition, you have to apply this advanced slide and apply to all. Now when I am going to use this apply to all, and again if I go inside a transition, I will make it 2 seconds and I will go apply to all, then slideshow from the beginning. Now here you can see they will change after the 2 seconds without a mouse click. Once they complete the PowerPoint presentation, the end of slideshow, it will appear on your screen. So that is the use of transition. So what we have done in this video is how to add the transition inside your presentation, how to add the effects, then how to add the sound, and how to add the duration. If you want a automatic slide rotation. Now one more thing, if you want to add a sound, instead of this, if you want to use the other sound, then you have to click on the other sound and you have to select the file from your desktop or PC. That file should be a format of WAV. Other formats doesn't supports here. You have to use the format WAV if you want to add your own sound inside your PowerPoint presentation. And whenever you apply or make a changes, you have to make it apply to all. Otherwise that sound or the duration will be applied to only for the one slide which is selected over there. So that is the use of transition. So it's very easy how to make a transition of the slides, how to add the effects, how to add the sound, and how to add the duration. Thank you.